Understanding rope rotation in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, rope rotation. This might sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. So, let's get started. Rope rotation refers to the action of turning or spinning a rope around in a circular motion. It's commonly used in physical activities or exercises, especially in those involving a jump rope. The phrase can be broken down into two parts. 1. Rope. A long, thick cord made from twisted or braided material. 2. Rotation. The act of something turning around a center or an axis. To better understand rope rotation, let's look at some examples. In gym class, the instructor demonstrated rope rotation techniques for jump rope exercises. The challenge involves continuous rope rotation for 3 minutes without stopping. These examples show how rope rotation is commonly used in the context of physical activities, emphasizing the motion of the rope. Rope rotation is not just a phrase but an important component in certain exercises. It helps in developing coordination and rhythm. Rope rotation exercises can be a fun way to do cardiovascular workouts. Understanding this term can enhance your exercise experience or simply enrich your English vocabulary, especially in fitness-related conversations. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the term rope rotation. Remember, learning English can be as fun as a game of jump rope. It's all about practice and rhythm. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.